Hi, it's Dr. Jesse Chow, your friendly neighborhood dentist from Bradford Family Dentistry. And I just wanted to say hi and check in with all of you to see how you're doing. It's been since early June since we came back and started operating again, like not just emergencies, but almost all care now. And since then, we've been pretty busy. So I want to thank all the patients that have been in the last 60 days. For your trust in us and keeping you safe. And, we're doing our best. We're following all the protocols. We've actually gone above and beyond all the protocols. We have air filtration now. If you haven't been to the office, we have air filtration systems in each of the treatment rooms as well as around the office to help clean the air constantly throughout the day. So I have to believe that we have probably the cleanest air in Bradford right now, just because we have it in pretty much the majority of the rooms in our office to keep the office air as clean as possible. And we're screening all the patients before they come in, so if they have any symptoms, they're not allowed in the office. So we're very on top of that. Obviously, we're cleaning everything in between the patients at a higher level than high surface contact areas. We're cleaning all that stuff. So we're trying to do everything we can to keep you guys safe. And I want to thank everyone that has been in, because that shows your trust in us, and we appreciate that. So for everyone else that hasn't been in, I want to apologize for that, because we've been short-staffed. Our team is short-handed right now because, we haven't been able to get everyone back in because of daycare issues. And because of that, all our team members right now are focused on treating the patients that are currently in the office right now. And so we're going to try to make a more concerted effort to try to call out on everyone and check in and see if you're ready to come in for your cleanings. But we don't want to have you fall off the wayside there. So if you are ready right now to have your teeth cleaned and come in for that service, then please give us a call, because we really don't know if a second wave hits, if we have to shut down everything again. We really don't know. And if you really are, wanting to get your teeth cleaned, we really don't want to disappoint you. So give us a call if you are ready, and that way you're a higher priority, because we can get you in sooner. We're already, there's only a few spots left in August for cleanings right now. So if you really want to get in for August, please call right away. And we are booking into September and October already. So, if you're not ready right now, still call, because we can start scheduling for, later down the line, September, October, November, whenever you feel that you're going to be ready to come in. Because I know not everyone will feel ready. And trust, we're doing everything we can to keep everyone safe. And we're going to continue to do so from there on, because I don't think this virus, honestly, is going away anytime soon. So we're going to keep the protocols in place for as long as it makes sense to, which means as long as the virus has a risk, we're going to make sure we're going to keep you guys safe from it. All right. So that's pretty much it. If you are ready to come in, give us a call. We'd be love to talk to you, see you again, catch up, and get you in to get your teeth cleaned. And now more than ever, it's very important to, for your dental services, because we know that if you have disease in your mouth, bleeding gums, cavities, or anything like that, that's only going to lower your immune system. And that makes you more prone to getting problems if you happen to catch the virus, and make you more prone to getting sick. And we also know that, disease in your mouth increases your risk of disease everywhere else in your body. It increases your risk of pretty much almost every bad disease that mankind has. So, it increases risk of heart disease by about 4 or 5 times. That means heart attack. Increased risk of stroke. Increased risk of, there's research done last year, there's a paper done last year that shows that the plaque in your mouth is actually the same plaque that causes Alzheimer's. So that's not good. Increases your risk of kidney disease, liver disease, diabetes. Certain cancers like colon and rectal cancer is increased. Pancreatic cancer is increased by 60% for people that have issues in their mouth that they're not taken care of. So we know how important that is. And so if you are ready to come in for treatment, please give us a call. We're here for you, and we're going to get you in as soon as we can. But we're going to be slowly making our way through the list that we have of patients that we know are overdue for their checkup and cleaning, which there's a lot. There's like, I think 700 of you that actually need cleanings right now or more. So, if you want to be high priority on the list, please give us a call, because we don't want to disappoint. So as I said, we're going to be booking. We have a few spots in August. We're going to be booking to September, October, November. And obviously, if that's the earliest we can get you in and you want to come in sooner, we'll put you on a short notice list so that if any changes happen, we can get you in sooner. So please give us a call if you're ready. Again, it's Dr. Jesse Chow, your friendly neighborhood dentist. We're here for you if you need anything. So if you have a dental emergency, please give us a call. We're here. We're going to help you out. We hope to see you soon. It's been crazy with this pandemic. I hope I never see anything like this again in our lifetime. But, it is what it is. We're going to get through it together. And, if we can be of any help to you in any shape, form, or fashion, please, please, please give us a call. And I hope to see you all very soon. Thank you so much.